I would be lying if I said I wasn't worried when I was let go. I had one goal, and that was to be the top of that company. But seeing how it happened, in my mind, I thought, hey, there's only better things that could happen. I was a machinist in a machine shop, but the transition from that blue-collar machinist position to the more white-collar office setting, that is what I was pursuing. I decided to go back to school to start pursuing degree programs. I achieved the Bachelor's Business Administration, and I got to be a product manager for a large product line, which was great experience. But then I was still asking myself, what's next? And I always wanted to be the president. I always wanted to be the highest level that I could possibly go. That's when I decided to pursue the dual master's program here at Walsh. The way the program is set up, I could easily balance everything that I had going on, working the full-time job, the family, all their extracurricular activities that we have going on. I got the product manager position after I got my bachelor's degree. And then I was let go from that position while I was still pursuing my master's degree. That was the first time I'd ever been let go from any position, and due to my degrees and pursuing a master's degree here at Walsh, I was hit up by a headhunter on LinkedIn for this presidency position, and it fell right into place. Life is way better now. I'm not punching the clock 40, 50, 60 hours a week. It's far less stress. It's way more fun on the job because I get to make the decisions and institute the changes that are really driving and pushing the company to be successful. So Walsh has given me a far better future than I could have ever imagined for myself. Going from the machine shop to product manager to president, that's only done because of Walsh.